in Boiling Springs, South Carolina.
And it's a Dover.
Yep.
It's a Dover. This carpet looks similar to some of the carpet we saw the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Here we are at 3.
Yep.
1.
Is this a classic Dover?
That's an Impulse.
Oh, the Impulse, that's right. Hi.
Can you get phone?
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty nice one.
How much the light go out?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a squeaky one, though.
Sort of squeaky.
And that's it. See, it's classic on the outside.
It's classic on the outside and
Yeah, it's got
Impulse
class-
on the inside, huh?
Yeah. It's also slow.
Yeah.
It's
Hope the elevator somebody may be coming. Nope. Okay.